Subtraction of positive integers using number line. Example, evaluate the following using a number line. A. 200 minus 500. B. 1000 minus 7000. Solution. To solve the first expression, you write this same expression indicating what type of integers the numbers are. 200 is a positive integer. 500 is also a positive integer. So for A, we have plus 200 minus plus 500. Now, we can then represent this on a number line. So draw a number line. You would see that the numbers we have here are large. So if I should go in steps of 1, it will not cut it. Because by the time I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can't even get to 100. If I decide to go in steps of 10, it still will not be enough. So I have to go in steps of 100. So starting from 0 to the right, I will have my positive integers as 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. And then to the left of 0, I would have minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400. Good. Now, we can then perform this by moving in the direction the sign tells us to go. First, we have plus 200. Which means you are going to move how many steps to the right? Remember, we are moving in steps of 100. That is, one step is 100. So to get 200, you move 2 steps. And since it's plus, that is 2 steps to the right. So from 0, we count 2 steps to the right. That is 1, 2. This indicates plus 200. Good. From wherever you have stopped, you then count for the next. But we are to perform a subtraction, meaning that this time we are going to the left. In how many steps? Since each step is 100, 500 will then be 5 steps. So we are going 5 steps to the right, to the left I mean. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go from here. 5 steps to the left to indicate our plus 500. We have moved to the left because we are performing the subtraction. Now in the end, we see that plus 200 minus plus 500 equals, where have we stopped? Here. That is minus 300. So plus 200 minus plus 500 will give us minus 300. B. We have 1000 minus 7000. Let's indicate the integers. This is a positive integer plus 1000. Then we have to perform subtraction. Another positive integer plus 7000. Then we draw our number line. From 0. We are dealing with thousands here. And if we go in steps of 100, this line would not be enough. So we go in irregular intervals of 1000, where one step is 1000. So that is, to the right, we have 1000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. And then to the left, we have our negative integers. Minus 1,000, minus 2,000, minus 3,000, minus 4,000, minus 5,000, minus 6,000, minus 7,000. Good. Now from 0, we are going to move to perform the plus 1,000. And since it is positive, we go one step to the right, because we have written our number line in such a way that each step represents 1,000. So 1,000 will mean one step to the right. From 0, one step to the right. We have plus 1,000. Then we perform the subtraction, which means now we have to go to the left in 7 steps to represent our 7,000. So from here, count 7 steps to the left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This shows our plus 6,000. And wherever you end up is your answer. Therefore, plus 1,000 minus plus 7,000 equals minus 6,000. Thank you.